A new tool in the fight against obesity. The FDA has just approved a new drug called Contrave. It's to help adults with chronic weight problems. ABC senior medical contributor Dr. Jen Ashton here. So how does it work?
So, George, this is a combination of two drugs. One's an antidepressant, and one is actually a drug to treat substance abuse. And this represents a whole new target in the medication attack on chronic and morbid obesity, meaning it works in the brain to fight those central signals that drive hunger, reward, impulse, and send those signals of satiety.
Almost like going after a food addiction. So who's a good candidate for Contrave?
Well, first, who is this not for? This is not for the person who wants to lose 5 pounds for the wedding next weekend. This is for adults with a BMI of 27 or 30 or above who have failed attempts at aggressive weight loss with diet and exercise alone.
So those who need real behavioral changes. It did take the FDA a long time to approve this drug.
Right, and that it should be no surprise to us because this is a very complex problem. The drugs used to manage or treat morbid obesity are incredibly powerful. They come with some serious side effects, and when you're talking about this drug, the side effects are no joke. There's a risk of suicidal thoughts, seizures. This is not for someone with a seizure disorder. And then the common symptoms, nausea, dizziness, insomnia. This is a powerful drug not to be taken lightly.
So it's not easy. You know, you're an expert in nutrition, getting your degree right now. You've also studied these surgeries to go after obesity. What's the big picture here?
The big picture is that it's not just one thing that causes someone to be morbidly obese. When you're talking about someone who needs to lose 100 pounds or more, there are multiple pathways that have caused that problem. Some of them are genetic, some of them are behavioral, some of them are metabolic. So when we attack the obesity problem, in some cases, we have to attack it from all fronts. Diet, good nutrition, exercise, medication, and sometimes surgery.
Okay, Jen, thanks. Dr. Ashton's going to be on Twitter throughout the morning to answer your questions about this new drug. Tweet them using the hashtag AskDrJChat.